not do anything that impressive. There's no way. I don't know, man. He's having fun. I missed it. George went down. I missed his went down time. Uh-oh, he's gonna pick it up. I should go help him. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, he's getting it. Oh, nice.
After Justin and I finished up our early morning snowy ride, the weather began to clear up and it warmed up just a little bit. The snow was slowly beginning to melt off. So we went and we picked up Maggie, Justin's faithful companion who has no problems riding on his motorcycle. And if you ever find yourself looking for a place to sleep that's a little unique in Sequim, Washington, and you're a lover of trains, there's a little bed and breakfast which you'll see us pass right now. You'll see the train cars behind us, and each of those is a separate bed and breakfast.
My fingers end right there. I'm trying to like bend. Yeah, that's where my finger ends.
glove. Where's your finger?
Oh!
That's messed up. Hang on, baby.
I don't know if I can.
Do you want to try your other glove?
I think I'd rather, well, no. Well, I
Okay.
can do it. I can do it. I just got to really squish them up in there.
Let's just hang on to me.
Okay.
All right, Justin.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get out of here with turn on.
You're gonna fling snow, dude.
Well, Mr. Arizona Desert Dog, unfortunately this trip is rapidly coming to a close, and the closest I'm getting to any saguaro cactus is right outside the window of our camper, because we are steam hauling our way to Texas. I gotta be there to start a new job tomorrow morning. I bet you know right where I am.
Here's some shots of what you'll see in our future videos, some teaser shots if you will. George's off-road vehicle, named Orange Deuce, OD for short. And we went to go see the train museum. And the view while driving around Crescent Lake in Port Angeles, Washington. And watching a herd of elk tromping in the snow.
They're out there.
I'm missing Texas.
Spread out, never ending. That!
That's gorgeous.
Okay, that is beautiful.
That was when the sun's shining through it. So pretty.
Yeah. Pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah, I love the ocean.
Pretty nice.
Due to dodging snowstorms and having to make repairs on our camper on the trip, our trip home was cut pretty short. We were having to haul butt through Arizona in order to make it home in time. But we did manage to stop at Pikachu Peak, where we'd been once before, and we just absolutely loved the scenery there. And George was able to get a little bit of drone footage. February of 2019, the entire west coast of the United States got hammered with blizzard after blizzard, and we decided to drive through all of it. So, either brave or very stupid. But we made it safely. There were a couple times that seemed a little hairy, but we made it.
Did you figure out how to light my grill?
No, I kept pushing these. I was like, no, that's
That is awesome.
like it's not working.
Did you just use a match?
Yeah, I use this thing.
Okay. That little guy actually works.
Oh wow,
It does.
nice. Oh man.
Okay.
I'm gonna be embarrassed now.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell a little YouTube history here. So this is my buddy Justin that lives in Sequim, Washington. And it just so happens that we are now in Sequim, Washington.
And George just got done riding in the snow.
Ooh, okay, so speaking of, so it's Justin's fault, entirely Justin's fault, that I have the Suzuki V-Strom.
I don't think I'm gonna race yet. Well, I'll try, but I'll lose.
You might.
Oh.
Oh.
That's a nice bike, man.
Do you like it? Do you like it?
It's way nicer than the sausage thing.
Well,
Let's get some snow action. I think the weight makes it pretty good.
snap. The one thing you really have to be...
Oh, it's pretty good.
Oh.
Yeah, that's gonna get all nasty inside the camper.